Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to reset Dyson Corrale. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you want to reset your Dyson Corrale here, well in this case, this is going to be really easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your Dyson Corrale has some charge on it. So you won't be able to reset it if it's completely drained of power. So make sure it has some power, and also make sure that the contact points here are actually cooled down first. So yeah, once you've done that, what we need to do is you want to go and plug your straightener here and press and hold the power button and the lowest heat setting button at the same time. Now, while still holding the buttons, plug the straightener back in. Now keep holding both the buttons for about 5 seconds. Now if done correctly, the lights on the Corrale will start flashing in a specific sequence. So in this case, you might want to check your user manual for specific details for this one. But from then on, you want to go and release the buttons and wait for the device to power up completely. And in this case, this should actually reset your Dyson Corrale, but just in case this does not solve any of the issues you were encountering before, it's best to contact Dyson support to get further assistance or even get replacement for your device here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.